In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to an N8n workflow and get it working smoothly. To begin, open your N8n workflow editor in Chrome. Starting in Chrome is helpful because it generally works well with Google sign-ins and authentication pop-ups, which can make the setup process a little easier and more reliable. Once your workflow editor is open, add a Google Sheets node to your workflow. This node is what allows N8n to communicate directly with your spreadsheet, so it's the main piece that connects your automation to Google Sheets. After adding the node, go to the Credentials section and select OAuth 2. This is the standard and secure way to connect your Google account since it lets N8n access your spreadsheet data without manually entering any sensitive account details into the workflow. When prompted, log in with your Google account and approve the requested permissions. As you do this, make sure you're signing into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts in the same browser. That small detail can save you time later if your spreadsheet doesn't appear where you expect it to. Once the connection is complete, choose the action you want this node to perform. For example, you might want to read rows from a spreadsheet if you're pulling data into your workflow, or append a row if you want to send new information into Google Sheets automatically. The action you choose should match the goal of your automation, so take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one before moving on. Next, select your target Google Sheet ID. This tells the node exactly which spreadsheet it should work with. Be careful to choose the correct sheet, especially if you have several spreadsheets with similar names. After that, test the step to make sure the connection is working properly and that the node can successfully perform the action you selected. Testing is important because it helps you catch issues early, like permission problems or selecting the wrong spreadsheet. If the test runs successfully, the final step is to activate the workflow. Activating it means your automation is now live and ready to run based on the trigger or process you've already built in N8n. Before you finish, it's always a good idea to do one quick review of the node settings so you can be confident everything is connected correctly. And that's it. You've now connected Google Sheets to N8n, tested the setup, and activated your workflow so it's ready to use.